If you ever wondered why some women, especially women over 40, 50, 60, look effortlessly modern, even in the simplest outfits, here's the truth no one talks about. It's not money, it's not trends, it's not naturally good style. It's habits. Quite consistent habits that make their everyday outfits look polished, intentional, and timeless, even on the days they have nothing to wear. Today I'm sharing the 7 style habits stylish women swear by. The ones that actually make you look modern, confident, and put together without trying too hard. And these habits, you can start using them today. Let's get into it. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Silvana, and I help women over 50 create modern, effortless personal style without buying a whole new wardrobe. This is one of my favorite requested topics, and for good reason. Habits are what shape your style long term, not shopping hauls. Let's start with number 1. Stylish women don't dress from pressure. They dress from emotion. They ask, how do I want to feel today? Not what should a stylish woman wear today? This is one of the most powerful style shifts from women over 50 who feel stuck, invisible, or overwhelmed by trends. Because when you dress for the feeling, confident, soft, grounded, bold, your outfit starts to look more personal, more modern, more you. This is the foundation of effortless style. Let's normalize something powerful. Stylish women repeat outfits constantly. Why? Because repetition builds identity. It's not about wearing the exact same thing every day. It's about perfecting outfit formulas that make you look polished with zero effort. Women with great style keep revisiting. Long coat plus knit plus trousers, monochrome base plus hero accessory, structured jacket plus simple top plus modern shoe. It's not boring, it's signature. This is how stylish women always look intentional, even in jeans. Now this one changes everything, and almost no one talks about it. Stylish women don't leave the house without a micro edit. It's 10 seconds. Do I need to remove one thing? Roll this sleeve? Swap this shoe? Tuck in or leave it untucked? Add structure. This is the secret between looking fine and looking elegantly modern. And here's the thing. Stylish women don't overthink this. They simply adjust one detail until the whole outfit clicks. Now, this is the habit that separates stylish women from stylish dressers. They understand proportion. Big on top, slim on bottom. Crop jacket plus long line underneath. Long coat plus clean straight leg. Soft knit plus structured trouser. It's quiet, it's architectural, it's everything. Trends don't matter if proportions are wrong. And age definitely doesn't matter. Proportion is the great equalizer. When you master proportions, you can make even your simplest basics feel modern and elevated. Stylish women don't throw on accessories. They assign them. Accessories become tiny pieces of intentional storytelling. Sculptural earrings equals sharp, intelligent energy. Bold shoe, modern confidence. Soft scarf equals ease. A stack of bracelets or necklace, statement focal point. It's not about adding more just for the sake of it. It's about adding meaning. This is how you shift a basic outfit from fine to, oh, she knows exactly who she is. Trends come and go. Rules come and go. But stylish women, they break one rule deliberately. It's their secret sauce. Tailor blazer with swag. Masculine trousers with a sparkly earring. Ugly shoe with a silk skirt. Monochrome broken by one disruptive accessory. It tells the world, I'm not here to follow the script. I'm here to show you who I am. Perfect outfits are forgettable. Personal outfits are magnetic. Stylish women don't cling to a signature lipstick or one iconic jacket. They cultivate a signature energy. Clean and architectural, soft and textured, tailored minimalism, quiet luxury with a twist, modern monochrome, effortless and done elegance. This energy becomes the through line of everything they wear. It's why you can recognize their style even when the clothes change. When you identify your signature energy, shopping becomes easier, outfits become clearer, style becomes grounded. This is the ultimate habit of stylish women. Stylish women aren't born stylish. They just practice habits that make style feel less like pressure and more like self-connection. Start with one of these habits this week and tell me in the comments, which habit are you trying first? If you enjoy this and want more videos on modern, effortless style after 50, make sure you subscribe. Your style journey deserves to feel exciting again. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.